Our benchmark dashboard is divided into 3 panels. The 2 outer panels capture real savings opportunities that our analysis has identified. In the center panel, we compare your costs per device, not including equipment charges, to a best case or ideal cost per device calculation, determined by using your exact mix of device types. In the table on the center panel, your latest month invoice total is displayed, minus any equipment charges. We remove equipment spending for the purposes of determining your monthly recurring cost per device. Also listed in this center panel are the current device counts listed by device type. We calculate your current cost per device by dividing your total device count into your latest total invoice, minus the cost of equipment. Then we calculate for a company of your size and mix of device types what the ideal cost per device might be, assuming best case discounts and access rates. This ideal cost per device also presumes your employee data usage is well controlled. The dial is added to give a relative sense compared to other clients that we have analyzed. While reaching the ideal cost in any given month is challenging with the dynamics of wireless usage, it's not uncommon for well-managed companies to find themselves consistently within 5 to 10% of the ideal cost per device. The left-hand panel shows the optimization savings analysis based on the 3 most recent monthly invoices. Our powerful optimization engine looks for all possible savings opportunities and calculates a total savings potential if all recommendations are applied. The pie chart indicates the identified savings as a percent of the overall 3-month average spending minus equipment charges. We break the carrier savings projected total into 4 separate categories. First, domestic savings, which includes any savings that would come from modifying rate plans, features, or adjusting pooling configurations. Second, if there's international usage, we calculate savings potential by using the best international features available, based on each internationally used device, while considering countries in which that device was used. Third, we scan the invoice for features that have recurring monthly charges that are not in use. And fourth, we assemble a list of devices that have not been utilized in any way in the prior 3 months. For these devices, we calculate savings based on placing those devices on vacation or standby plans versus paying full price. The right-hand panel calculates savings opportunities based on reining in excessive data usage. Most companies have a small percent of users generating the majority of the data usage on a monthly basis. Our tool helps identify excessive use over the past 3 months and estimates the savings that can be generated by controlling overall company data usage. The chart in the right-hand panel illustrates how we analyze the cost of excessive data usage. Every carrier includes a minimum amount of data bundled with their base access plan. This amount varies by device. For example, a smartphone might have 2 gigabytes, where a flip phone only includes 100 megabytes. We call this the minimum carrier spend threshold. If all devices were only on the minimum plan, this defines the least costly data usage scenario. By looking at the current usage over the past 3 months, we then calculate the magnitude of each month's usage above the minimum threshold. Every gigabyte the company uses above this threshold is costing the company. Using industry standard cost per gigabyte values, we can transform this excessive gigabyte usage into an actual dollar savings total. We take the average height of the excessive spending bars over the past 3 months to arrive at an average 3-month savings potential that can be achieved through tighter data usage controls. This benchmark screen is a summary of savings opportunities, along with a valuable reference point on your current cost per device, compared to a best-case scenario. In order to drill down further into the details of the savings recommendations, simply click on the View Detail buttons at the bottom of the left and right-hand panels. Thanks for watching.